All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to one of the best games you'll see of your whole life. This is Loser Side something.
You're referring to like Smash Bros. Ultimate as one of the best games, right? Not like this particular match being one of the best games.
No, this is more hype than you. This is the matchup that you pay to see. So
yeah, you're right.
This is BK. I'm joined with a few people.
You could have been charging people for this all along, and we're giving it to them for free.
Yeah, on YouTube.com/SaintCloud. If you're watching it, you already found it.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, and like and subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Hit the notification bell to be updated for when we upload.
Do not DM us for news. Though.
Will you donate to our
Get out of my inbox.
Donate to our Patreon.
Sign up for our newsletter.
Newsletter. This is the most boomer thing I've heard of.
Right here,
Now, BK, in that situation, would not you have gone for form throw?
I think you want.
You don't want to scale
no,
back.
Yeah, you don't want to scale back through. No.
And you want to get in the position.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
No,
All right. Just making sure we're on the same page.
Yep, absolutely.
Dude, everything that Ness does, I will ask you, and everything I've seen it does, I will ask your names.
Hey, that's fair.
Yep.
It's kind of weird to see Blake just throwing out random PK Thunders because it leaves him in such a large amount of hit stun that Lucina's got the speed, like, just run in and even just like a quick dash attack, and then you're like, oh, shoot.
I think blrasmu is, I think he's just playing a little sloppy right now. He's starting to get a grab at 0% and go for forward throw. And a lot of times, turn hurts and you play like you normally would, but down throw is the B and B, as they say.
Bread and butter, and then you can. What's nice about that too, especially if you didn't like look at the center stage like he was, is a lot of times you can pop up to the platform, reset, and get another 2 or 3 hits in.
Yeah.
So
the cream combo.
with how much he was throwing out shields there, I think at some point Blake should just ran up and went to the ground.
Right. Yeah, because I think one of those that he kind of is wanting to approach with fire than like aerials too. And so a lot of times, throw and grab. It seems like the most like basic thing to do, but sometimes I can't do it.
Yeah, absolutely. Catch him with the tomahawks on the shield.
Yeah, with that BK is not playing on his game right now because he also, I think he included a forward throw when he wanted forward air when he wanted to get back there. So, regardless of any sort of mistakes that are happening, right now he's in a really good position. And actually, Trounce is into the lead. And lots of BK's blrasmu's way to get back into stage has been. Have I been saying BK the whole time?
I think you've been
Okay. blrasmu's choice to get back to stage so far has been like you double jump and directional air dodge, as to not get his up B countered. And like right there, I don't know if that's what mix up that you S's do, but went for down throw and then try to catch a landing with fire. You have guaranteed combos like at this percent.
Yeah, I don't know. I think like a better thing you can do is you can down throw, and then you can dash in if you're expecting them to just come DIY, and then you can either hit them with tilts.
Sure.
Or I've seen even like a short hop magnet into grab, like because it kind of throws them off.
Right.
I don't know if he's doing Thunder 2 on stage there. I don't know.
I think he was trying to get a bit saucy.
Yeah.
Hey, when you get on the recording setup, dude, I feel like it kind of gets to everyone a little bit.
It does.
Yeah, I would have beat you if.
You heard it here first.
Oh, good DI though. Oh, Bell's gonna try to finish him. Oh, we're gonna reset neutral here.
Oh, why did? Oh man, he should have grabbed. But I guess hindsight is always 20/20, man. It's way different to sit in this seat than it is in that seat.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna say it right now. I'm standing.
Cue the X-Files theme.
That's warrior though.
That'll take game 1.
blrasmu looks like he is.
We cursed him by spelling his name wrong, so he's gonna kill me for this when he watches this. Because I threw an extra A in here somewhere. Oh, it's before the S. There we go. Now that we got rid of that curse on his name, we'll probably just see way better performance.
Dude, if he wins this next game, we got put that title back. We got to rewrite history.
Well, he's switching to Lucas, man.
Oh!
We're seeing the masked man.
PK freeze!
Okay, I do have to say something. I do have to say something right now. As a Lucina main that plays Blake a lot, actually recently Blake has been kind of going like Lucas if Ness like doesn't work out. Normally he never does that, but recently he has. And one big thing is with Lucas's recovery with the.
Oh! No! Is he dead? Is he dead? Is he dead?
Dude, you're blind.
He's just joking.
I don't know why he didn't go for the freeze. Or no, I mean the.
Yo, you're supposed to go for fully charged shield.
Yeah, that's what I was. But I'm not.
Literally trolling you.
I'll tell you what I would have done if I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm not sure.
You should like a little bit.
I'm not sure if this is optimal, but Nair one into either up tilt or to up air into another up air.
Some fancy ass combo that gets like a third of the percentage of fully charged shield.
Exactly.
I love it.
Wow.
It's not about the percent, it's about the style.
It's about the style. It always is.
Imagine this after this game, if we get a game 3 out of this, we change Blake's name back and we change back to this.
Oh my gosh, yeah. He's using his correct spelling character right now. Here's my question though. I know so many like dual like Ness, Lucas, like dual means. Do they really cover each other's matchups that I feel like they don't cover each other's matchups that well. Like there's gotta be a few characters that like Lucas is oh man. Rinse and repeat.
That was some spaghetti. Saw those spaghettios.
Well, but it doesn't really seem like Lucas will cover that many matchups that Ness can't already handle.
Right. I think the big thing is that Lucas can cover some matchups.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, obviously, a different secondary would be like more preferred if that's what you're really going for. But then you also have kind of like some of the learning curve of dealing with like his floaty double jump, the thunder recovery, like some of that you've already learned. So
right.
it's like
It doesn't feel like picking up a brain.
Yes, exactly.
Also, just like the minor changes in playstyle can be hard for your opponents to adapt.
Yeah, I think the big thing is that where Ness has a lot more like, I'm going to get you trapped and hit you a bunch, Lucas is really good at get off of me, get away from me in his kit. He's got a lot more of like, he can do his Zair is really good.
Right.
His Thunder pushes away, which can actually sometimes get you early kills on stage.
Sure.
Just some stuff like that.
That had been either just going for the YOLO hardest read. By the way, James, do you know when you've seen his upper kill? Is it just like not for forever?
I have no idea. Like I didn't like never used it for.
I killed them far before their upper kill percent because I'm a good player.
Normies get out.
I'm just a bad main who doesn't know anything about.
It's one of those things where like sometimes in Smash 4, like you would end up like just getting to like 150, 160, and yeah, like okay, like I got you up to a percent.
Yeah.
So like your grab is actually gonna be slightly more threatening.
Yeah.
But
I definitely do check it out.
You've been like missing like kill opportunities all the time. You think
Potentially.
it doesn't kill till like 210? It's like 180.
Yeah.
Alright, Kid's next spot died before there, and he's working his way back into this one.
Wow.
Down 24%, all it takes, what, one dancing blade, and it's getting back to you.
Oh.
Yeah. Is that even? Oh my god! Someone stop this man!
Okay, as a Lucina main, it's hard to swag out with Lucina, but like Chad does some swaggy stuff right there. Props to Mel. Let's go.
Oh no.
Okay, alright. Yeah, Mel seems like kind of getting used to how BK is recovering, but now going low when, I'm sorry, blrasmu is going high.
You're like, damn, yes,
Well, you're Tag's both start with the letter B, damn it.
I know their names start with B.
Also, BK is just easier to say.
Yeah,
Blrasmu wants me to say the big article you got the letters.
Yeah, it's just like, did you not get put down phonics?
Oh no! BK freeze!
Mel that back. So
Big brain, big brain.
Super big brain.
Should we curse him again or not?
Oh god.
Put the tackle back.
If you put it back and you lose,
Put his
you
tag.
actually
Put his
curse
tag
him.
as BK.
You actually curse. BK button boosters. Just kidding. No hard feelings, Blake, when you're watching this.
Dude, he's got to learn that if he's gonna be a co-TO, he's gonna have to take. He's got to order to take like man.
Yep.
I mean, we gave it to Solomon so hard that he had no choice but to pack up and
He
leave.
had no choice.
And he goes back to the Nets.
Oh my god, the curse is real!
Okay, though, if he does lose his Nestle, he's gonna regret not sticking to PK Curry's character.
Nice down throw here, up air, nice stuff.
Probably should have got some more percent off that right last week. I don't know if anything's true. Probably not anything's not. But we should see
Oh
another
my
show.
gosh, yeah, I thought we
Shield, shield, can we will like shield? Look at how small his shield is.
Anybody hungry for some skills?
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of quick double jumping from blrasmu, like out of disadvantage towards the edge of the blast zone. I'd like to see Mel try and cover one of those with like a full on forward air or double jump.
Yeah, no, cover it.
I'm gonna tell you right now, you're facing Lucina. Why are you trying to land on one of those platforms? Don't land on those platforms, dude. You're gonna get forward, and you're gonna have to make a decision, and that decision is either try and jump over, get covered, fall down through.
There's
Yeah,
the double
there
jump
it is.
cover. There it is. That's what we need. Like, let's go. Oh yeah, it's that coaching.
That's it, go ahead. You're not banned from our St. Club State Smash.
No double jump on Mel.
Do
Still no double
you
jump.
think this game is a mistake?
For Mel, no, I think it's like a choice.
Oh yeah, no, pick that.
Yeah. If Blake because I think I'd go down there and just be like, hey, excuse me, do you have a moment to talk about what the hell's going on in your head right now? Let's have a little chat. Are you okay, bud?
Oh, right into that down smash. Unfortunately, it's not there.
Yo.
Yep. Now, already trying to put some more percent on him right now, though.
Alright,
Yes,
so
got him in the infinite. Got him in the infinite.
so let's hear from Dreams first. If you're Ness and you're gonna be Lucina, what are you gonna do?
Wait, who is he in this scenario?
Yeah, wait, who am I? I'm so confused. I'm so confused.
No, you're
Can you rephrase the question?
okay. If you're Lucina, how are you gonna lose Ness?
Okay.
How do I lose the Nets? You're gonna lose to back throws and just like maybe some like straight back airs at high percent. Like just respect his kill options and respect his like double jump there.
Stop.
Sumo coming in.
Wow.
You gotta hear the fire announcement isn't until Friday morning. I can see it was like the brawl, like a do.
Wait, is that actually happening today?
Yeah, on Friday morning at 8 a.m. Central. Yep.
8 a.m. Central Time?
Yeah. I'm gonna listen to it at work.
Yeah, I was going to say,
I'm gonna
I have a meeting to go to, but it is called watching YouTube in the bathroom.
Yeah, I ate too much Taco Bell.
We have a video conference with competitive.
Yeah, we're possibly going to get them as an account. So,
Yeah.
That was very quick.
this is a very important client.
Who's your Masahiro Sakurai? You might have heard of him. Maybe not. I hope not.
No, I think Mel's scared. I think
But-
Mel is scared.
But thanks for the tips, Dreams.
Yo, hey,
I
I think Blake,
on stream.
I think the last one's about to hit the
Oh.
skill button.
I forgot about that.
Skill button back throw?
Yeah.
The
Yeah, I can
skill
spell
button.
Let's
Skill
go
button.
400 IQ.
Zuba's nose is smelling that back throw. It's smelling the back throw.
PK fire to back throw.
Just stand all the way over on the ledge and hold shield. Guaranteed Lucina will run up and dash attack. Guaranteed.
This is true.
And then you would have big ring. I don't know what you're doing with all these back here. Charges.
You just
Smash.
you just stand there slowly and unsmash.
Oh, he tried to jump into the back.
He did try to.
Okay, we need to get this kill.
What applies to blrasmu didn't realize that he had a stock lead right now.
No, that's.
They played so confident.
Ooh, run it back.
And he gets up and like runs up.
Run it back. Mel can do this. Mel can do this.
You just don't get grabbed.
Countering PK rocket, killing at 0.
Cool.
So let's go. Wait for it.
Yeah. Who brought the rocket boy?
So, I mean, blrasmu, knowing that, would certainly use it.
Yeah. yes, of course. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, not like this. No.
I'm pulling the controller now! I'm pulling the controller!
Oh, man.
F's in the chat, boys.
F, please. Please press F.
And
GG's.
yeah, that was
to the gamers.
that was a set.
GG's.
I'm the worst ultimate player of all time.
Re.
No, like that's makes me re.
That's just very much your
Yeah, all right.
Yo, y'all see Ivan fucking rage his head off? Oh my god. You guys leaving?
Yeah. Commentary's done.
Yeah. No more Smash. Smash is canceled.
More
Rest of the tournament.
Smash on this channel. Never.